This is Vivo V21e and today in this video I am going to testing Vivo V21e full camera. I am Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. So guys, start the video. By the way, Vivo V21e full review and gaming review coming very soon. So subscribe right now and press the bell icon. So let's move on the main video. Vivo V21e come with Kwgt camera setup. 64 megapixel main lens with 1.9 aperture, 8 megapixel ultra wide with 2.2 aperture and 2 megapixel macro with 2.4 aperture with LED flash. On the front, the smartphone comes with 44 megapixel selfie camera with 2.0 aperture. So let's see some photo and video sample. Main camera and selfie camera, you can take a highest 4K 30fps video and you also take a 1080, 30 and 60 fps video with EIS. And you also take a 120 fps slow-mo video. Okay, this is all about Vivo V21e full camera review. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe the channel. See you in some other video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. Allah Hafiz.